This is the podcast number 2, A Common Lawyer Comments Concerning Our Common Law, Our Law of the Land, Due Process, the Course of Our Common Law, stressing procedure, not outcome. The Bible says that belongs to Yahuwah. He happens, not us. But we're to make sure that everything is done fairly. Speaking of things done fair, only in the English-speaking world, only in common law countries like our own, do we say things like, he fought me a fair fight. That ain't fair. Give him fair play. No, those are common law phrases in our common law country. May the best man win. May the best, most meritorious case prevail. That's in our common law country. That's not in the rest of the world. Oh, it's deeply part of who we are. I do recall as a boy, I went to a little school when I was in the grades, a little town, little school. But boys are boys. And every once in a while, two boys would want to square off. And when they'd want to square off, we'd all rush out, wait for being outside. We'd run out onto the grounds there someplace, form a circle. Two boys would be in the middle wanting to square off. And they knew that no rabbit punches, no sucker punches were allowed, no hitting below the belt, no kicking below the belt, no hair pulling, no scratching, and no biting were allowed. And if one boy engaged in that kind of behavior, all us other boys would be on top of him, lickety split. Stand him up, square him off again, and they could go at it. Now, there were those boys that didn't observe the rules. I had one jump on me once out of nowhere. I didn't even know we were having a disagreement of any kind. As far as I know, we didn't, because I hadn't talked to him. Or I remember him, and I remember the family. They were that way. You had to watch them, keep your eye cocked for them. They were over there in Cumberland County, over toward a place called Union Center. Kind of dangerous. Well, that wasn't fair, but our common law tradition is all about the way we do things. If two boys would fight a fight and it was fair, and one started getting the best of the other, and then we'd all dive in and stop it. Oh, I think back on it, I'm surprised how we governed ourselves that way. But it isn't that we were so great, that we were smart, that we were more virtuous than anyone else. It's just God in his providence gave us that culture. It's a common law culture. I think of all the times I've gone into court. All the times I didn't do anything but scream and holler, that ain't fair, when the time came, or you've got to give us fair play, or we haven't had notice, Your Honor, or we haven't had a meaningful opportunity to be heard to prepare. We haven't been told there was even going to be a hearing. This ain't a fair fight. The other fella can't win by default unless there's a fair fight. Yeah. So we're fortunate we've grown up in a world like this. And where'd it come from, our common law tradition? Did it come from our race because we're better than others? I don't think so. No. We'll talk about that in a minute. This is Brent Allan Winters, commonlawyer.com, www.commonlawyer.com. This is a Common Lawyer Comments. Go to the website, commonlawyer.com, and click on the links and take advantage of all the things that are there for you. In the meantime, join us again next time on the next podcast. A Common Lawyer Comments, www.commonlawyer.com.